Here we have that beautiful rhodium gray dial with the fluted white gold bezel. This watch is a very hot seller every time we do get it in. So here we have the beautiful watch in the Jubilee bracelet. Here we have the clasp in beautiful condition. Here we have that beautiful rhodium gray dial with the fluted white gold bezel as it just shines around the light. And we have the nice green and black Roman numeral markers. All right, so now I'm gonna go over the condition of it. Here's the bottom of the watch. Here we have the bottom left. Here we have the case side. Here we have the top right, the top left. Here we have the top of the watch. Here we have the top right. Here we have the crown side. And here we have the bottom right. Alright, and then here I'm showing you the clasp, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And here we still have the factory sticker on it. Here we have the Rolex logo right there. And I'm going to show you the case back. We do have the factory sticker on that one as well. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go over the functions of the watch. So this watch is a screw down crown to operate the watch. And once you fully pull it out, you can go ahead and turn the hands, and once it's pulled out from the first position, that's when you can change the date. And if it's just like pulled out with no setting, you can just wind the watch and give power to the power reserve. All right, fully pulling it out, I'm going to show you a full 24-hour sweep. That way you know that the date will move on its own. And there you go, it changed the date. And now I'm going to set it to the 6:30 position, and that way it's the safest way to change the date. You have to put it in this 6:30 position, or if not, you damage the watch internally. So as you can see, they all move very, very fluidly and smoothly. After that, I'm going to show you the loom. We have that beautiful teal loom, very bright, very strong, as a brand new watch should be. This watch is a very hot seller every time we do get it in. I barely have a chance to look at it, and I'll go over the set contents for you. Here we have already the green hang tag. As you can see, there's a back side of it, and it's like holographic, which is nice. That way you know it's authentic. In the booklets, here we have the warranty card and the warranty wallet. And here we have the manual of the Datejust. And here we have the warranty booklet. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see this on your wrist.